suppose we have to solve the following equation. X squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 25. Solve natin to using completing the square. Sa completing the square kasi, we need the concept of the perfect square trinomial. Remember, the perfect square trinomial is a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. Tapos ang factored form niyan ay a plus or minus b squared. Alright? Kaya lang, ito, hindi to perfect square trinomial like this. So, ganito ang gagawin natin. Tanggalin muna natin yung constant term. Itong positive 5, transpose natin sa kabila. So, we have x squared minus 8x, leave some space, equals 25, and then minus 5. And 25 minus 5 is equal to 5. So, buray natin. 25 minus 5 is 20 rather, sorry. 20. Ngayon, para maging perfect square trinomial to, we have to add something here. We need this third term para maging perfect square trinomial siya like this. And that third term is this. B over 2 squared. Remember, ito ay nasa form ng x squared plus bx. Yung b natin is yung negative 8. Di ba? So, substitute natin. B over 2, b is negative 8 over 2 squared. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And negative 4 squared is positive 16. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-add daw tayo ng 16 dito. And also, mag-add ka rin sa kabila. Siyempre, para preserve yung equality. Ngayon, successful na. Perfect square trinomial na to. Like this. So, i-rewrite natin. The first term is x squared. Express natin as squares. Tapos, itong 16, that is 4 squared. And then, minus, kasi minus to, minus 2ab, yung middle term. So, 2 times a, ang a natin is x, ang b is 4. Okay? Remember, a is x, b is 4. Compare nyo lang. So, 2 times a is x, times b is 4. Check nyo. 2 times x times 4 is 8x. So, tama lang. Okay? Proceed tayo. Is equal to 20 plus 16 is 36. Ito, syempre, masusulat natin yan like this. So, the factored form is 8 plus, rather a minus, kasi minus to. Dito tayo babase ha. So, a minus b squared. Ang a natin is x, ang b natin is 4. So, x minus 4 squared is equal to 36. Ngayon, we have to solve for x. So, we will take the square root of both sides. Square root yan, square root din yan. The left side becomes x minus 4, while the square root of 36 is positive and negative 6. Tapos transpose mo yung negative 4 to the other side, you have x is equal to 4 plus and minus 6. Burahin ko lang to. Obviously, meron tayong dalawang solutions kasi meron tayong plus and minus. So, the solution 1, x sub 1 is equal to 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. While the second solution is 4 minus 6, which is equal to negative 2. Ito yung solutions. 10 and negative 2. Next, let us solve the following equation. X squared plus 6x, let's say plus 5, equals 0. Ito, hindi rin to perfect square trinomial. So, gawin natin, transpose natin si 5 sa kabila. We have x squared plus 6x equals negative 5. And then, yung value ng b natin dito is ito, 6. So, kailangan natin mag-add ng b over 2 squared as our third term. b is equal to positive 6 nga, sabi nga natin. So, 6 over 2 squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 squared is equal to 9. So, add tayo ng 9 dito. Add din tayo ng 9 dito. Ngayon, perfect square trinomial na yan. Rewrite natin. X squared plus, and then, itong 9, 3 squared yan. So, plus, ulitin ko, plus 3 squared. Tapos yung middle term, 2ab. So, 2 times A. Ang A natin is X, ang B natin is 3. So 2AB is 2 times X times 3. And then ito naman, negative 5 plus 9 is positive 4. Ngayon, mapafactor na natin to. According to perfect square trinomial, the factored form is A plus B squared. Ang A natin is X, B is 3. So X plus 3 squared equals positive 4. Solve natin. Take the square root of both sides. The left side becomes X plus 3, while the square root of 4 is positive or negative 2. Transpose natin yung 3 sa kabila. So, X is equal to negative 3 plus or minus 2. So, dalawa ulit ang solutions natin. The first solution, X sub 1 is equal to negative 3 plus 2, which is equal to negative 1. While yung second solution, negative 3 minus 2, which is equal to negative 5. Next, isolve natin to. Suppose we have x squared minus 12x, say plus 4, equals 0. Again, hindi to perfect square trinomial. So, transpose natin yung constant term sa kabila. We have x squared minus 12x equals negative 4. Kailangan natin yung third term dito na mag-enable dito as perfect square trinomial. So, the third term is b over 2 squared. B natin is negative 12. So, negative 12 over 2 squared. Negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. And negative 6 squared is positive 36. So, add do tayo ng 36 dito. And also, add din tayo ng 36 dito. Ngayon, perfect square trinomial na to. Rewrite natin x squared minus, tapos ito, positive 36, that is 6 squared. Kung i-compare natin sa perfect square trinomial, ito yung A, ito yung B. Alright? So, 2AB is 2 times x times 6. Pag chinek mo, 2 times x times 6, that's 12x. And then equals, negative 4 plus 36 is 32. Ngayon, ang factored form nito is, dahil may minus tayo dito, a minus b squared. So, x minus 6 squared equals 32. Solve for x. Take the square root of both sides. Yung left side natin becomes x minus 6. While ito, 32 is not a perfect square. However, let's express as factors na kung saan yung isa ay perfect square. That's 16 times 2. 16 times 2 is 32. Tapos itong 16, ang square root niyan is 4. Ilalabas mo. Okay? So, x minus 6 is equal to, kailangan din natin ng plus minus kasi kumukuha tayo ng square root. And then take out the square root of 16, which is 4. Tapos naiwan na lang si square root of 2. And then transpose negative 6. Therefore, we have x is equal to 6 plus minus 4 square root of 2. So, ito na yung solutions. Take note, dalawang solutions yan. Plus and minus. Let us try one more. Let us solve the following equation. X squared plus 4x plus 7 equals 0 using completing the square. And again, hindi ito perfect square trinomial. So, x squared plus 4x, transpose natin yung 7 sa kabila, magiging negative. Tapos we have to add the third term right here that makes this trinomial a perfect square trinomial. And that third term is b divided by 2 squared. The value of b is positive 4. So 4 over 2 squared. 4 over 2 is 2. And 2 squared is positive 4. So add tayo ng 4 dito. Add din tayo ng 4 dito. Now, perfect square trinomial na yan. Let's rewrite as x squared. Tapos itong 4 naman, 2 squared yan. 2 squared. And then yung middle term natin is plus 2ab. We use plus kasi plus ito. So, plus 2ab. Take note, ang a natin is x and yung b natin is 2. So, x times 2. Check mo. 2 times x times 2 is 4x. And then, negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Ngayon, ma-factor natin yan. The factored form is a plus b squared. So, x plus 2 squared is equal to negative 3. Solve for x. Let's take the square root of both sides. Yung left side natin, magiging x plus 2. However, sa may right side, may issue tayo. We are taking the square root of a negative value or a negative number. Hindi pwede yan. Actually, pwede siya, pero you have to use the imaginary counting unit. So, ganito. Of course, that's a square root plus minus. Tapos, instead of negative 3, I'm going to write 3 times negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, right? Ngayon, ginawa ko yan kasi ganito. So, proceed lang tayo. X plus 2 equals plus minus. Ito, pwede mo paghiwalayin yan. Square root of 3 times square root of negative 1. And we know that the square root of negative 1 is equal to the imaginary counting unit I. So, papalitan natin. Therefore, we have x. Ito, yung plus 2, transpose na rin natin sa kabila. Magiging negative yan. So, negative 2 and then plus minus. Tapos, square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So, I and then yung remaining na square root of 3. Ito ngayon yung solutions. Dalawang solutions yan. Plus and minus.